I am also doing a grocery haul because I went to the farmer's market and Whole Foods. So I wanted to show you what I got. So starting with the produce that I got at the farmer's market, I got this giant container of strawberries, which are really good right now. I'm surprised because they're a summer fruit. In winter, they taste really good. I got 5 pomegranates and only 2 here. I then got some beets, which I don't like that much, but I'm going to be using in a recipe for lunch coming up after this. Then 2 bunches of bananas, and I also got a watermelon and cantaloupe, which I forgot to bring out, and I'm not going to get up to get them, but those are inside. And the last thing of produce that I got was from the farmer's market, which they have these kiwis, which I think they're just rejected from the stores. So they have them at the farmer's market because they're different shapes and sizes than normal kiwis that are in stores. Actually, not the last produce thing. I got some blueberries that were actually at Whole Foods instead of the farmer's market. Then moving on to non-produce, I got some almond milk unsweetened original because vanilla is not good for savory recipes or sweetened either. And I'm out of almond milk, so I really needed this. Then I got some puffed rice, which I used a lot of different puffed grains as cereal. And either on my channel or my Instagram, I'm going to be doing a recipe using these to make your own cereal. So follow my Instagram down below if it's not uploaded onto here. I then got the Forager Project Cashew Gurt, which I'm really excited about because I've had this once before, but I haven't gotten it in a really long time. I then got dragon fruit packs just because they make the smoothies look good. They don't really make a difference in taste, but I like this color. The color of them. I also got the Honest Dan cheddar style dip, which I'd only ever seen before online, but I found it in my store and it's really good. It tastes like something I've had before, but I can't put my finger on what it is. Oh! Oops. The last thing I got was this Hakuna Banana Spice non-dairy frozen dessert, which I was planning on getting either the Halo Top or Nadamu new flavors, but neither of those were at my store, so I decided to go for this brand, and it's pretty good. I had some of this as like a snack with berries, but it has cinnamon and nutmeg in it for the spice flavor. To me, there's not enough, so all I really taste is bananas. Probably won't be purchasing from this brand again just because other dairy-free ice creams are a lot better than this one. It's still good though, and I'm definitely going to eat it. That's all I got at the store. Without using any specific recipe, I wanted to make some beet sushi rice because I've seen it before. So I boiled 2 beets with some water and cooked that water that was like dark pink with my rice and expected it to turn out pink, but it ended up coming this weird orange color. So I guess that this time I'm going to be having orange rice sushi, and next week or whenever I make this again, I will try to do it with more beets in order to make it more pink. So the day that I decided to film my sushi, it is the worst I've ever made it before. First of all, it's supposed to be pink because of the beets, and I only used 2 small beets, which was not enough, obviously. It was this weird orange color. And I only had brown rice instead of white rice or sushi rice, so this did not stick together. Everything fell apart. It's going to be really messy to eat. And because I had so many snacks in between breakfast and lunch, because my rice cooker takes like an hour to cook rice, I was way too hungry. But now, since I'm not as hungry, I'm only going to have this 1 roll and a small bowl of rice on the side. But it's okay. It kind of turned out fine.